Bum bum. Hey guys, happy Emancipation Day.
Bum bum. Bum bum.
Bum bum.
Bum.
Yeah, so like 18 years ago on this day, my family and I met in an accident, and it was a very serious accident.
Bum bum.
Like we could have all died.
Mommy.
Yes.
Bum bum.
Bum bum. But
Bum.
the mercy of God,
Mommy.
people's right, and
Mommy. Bum
yes, bum bum. Yeah. So regardless of whatever is going on in my life today, I have to give thanks for life.
Bum bum.
Bum bum. And to have lived, to have these two beautiful kids.
Bum bum.
Bum bum. Jenny was just here riding me, guys. I'm going to show you a clip, but
Bum bum.
bum bum.
Bum bum.
Bum bum.
Bum bum. Bum bum.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Daddy.
What are we doing today?
Uh-uh.
Yeah, that's right. Nothing at all. We just stayed in bed all day long. Where are you going? Where are you going? What are you looking for?
No. Mom.
So, yeah. Like, I'm just here. I don't have anything planned for today. I'm not going anywhere. We typically don't go anywhere today. So, yeah. What are you doing to celebrate Emancipation, though? My eyes scratching me. But what are you doing, and how are you going to be celebrating independence? What are your plans? Another grand gala, or I don't know what else is happening. Like, I don't know. What are you guys doing? Let me know. You're saying ow, and you're the one hurting me.
Ow.
Why are you saying ow? Jesus God. Eddie. Yeah, kill me. Ow. Just on my belly. Why you jump off of the bed? Need to fall and hurt yourself. Go and call Amari. Tell Amari some mommy calling. Jenny, tell Amari that mommy calling. Call him again. Not on the phone. Call him. Amari.
Oh, is this a video?
Yeah.
Hello, I'm Mari, and this is my house. Wonderful, right? And this is my baby sister. She's a lot more destructive than you think. She bites a lot.
She do what?
Bites a lot.
Julia, stop it.
And she always hits people. And sometimes she's pretty fun. You can play with her, have fun with her, do anything you want with her. Because she loves to play. All she does is play. All she wants to play with me. So you can play with her too. Bye-bye, guys.
So Mario said his piece and him gone. Like, brother gone like a kite. Well, this one is I try to kill me. Oh. Alright, John, come out of my belly. Thank you. Come out of my belly. Yeah, drop your spit on the eye face. Anyways, I feel some type of way today. I can feel sad, but like I know why I'm sad or whatever. But it just I don't want to feel sad, but I am sad. Jesus, guys. Oh, guys, guess what? I am learning to drive. I did the learner's test the other day. Ow! Oh, there's a message in our work group on big big holiday. The energy them in yeah. So I got my learners no, and the girls learning to drive. Yes. Bam bam. So soon I got a big driver. You see it. Yeah, but I'm doing really well driving. Bam bam. So I have issues like reversing, but yeah, may I practice, guys, may I practice. So yes, you're going down. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you later, alligator. Come down. Alright, go on. Yeah. So, that's something that's been ticked off my bucket list. And I'm also learning to swim. So that's two major things. Yeah, like feel proud of myself. Like I just remember the other day, like that bucket list thing that I did about 2 years ago. And I never accomplished anything on that. So don't mind me here, guys. Like, don't mind it. But I never accomplished anything from it. So this year I've been like really, really working towards some of my goals, and I can just say that I am, and I feel proud of myself, right? So yeah, yeah. I'm going to show you a clip of I think it was the first day that I started swimming. It's hilarious, but I'm going to show you. So see you there.
Come, go, Shan, go. Go, Shan. Go, Shan, go. Shan.
So apparently I'm working today. So well, I know it was a possibility that I would be working. I just didn't want to be working on the road. So one of the companies that I work for, they are participating in the Jamaica 60 celebration thingy. So they are in the float parade and stuff today, and they're going to be at the Independence Village. What's that name? Independence Village, yeah. And so I'm going to be doing like the posting and stuff for the page and all that. So I need to I have the frames to use. I just need to find but the email with it in it so I can have it. But yeah, guys, it's a work day with my two kitties. But yeah, good stuff. Limit. Anyways, let me frames. This is what working from home looks like, guys. Like on the boobies. So Jenny is done sleeping. Um, what's this? Oh, work. So I finished one section of what I was doing for work. I'm going to eat something because it's like 12, not 12, 11:36. So I'm going to get something to eat. Then I'm going to do the next photos to upload. And yeah, Johnny asleep. Sleep. Alright, so I'm making one of these. This one, it's amazing. I love it. But I'm gonna make that with some iced coffee. So I'm gonna make the sandwich and iced coffee. And I think I'm gonna wash my hair too because it looks really disgusting. So I'm gonna wash my hair. Don't worry. I'll wash it. So I want to upload this video today because I want to know what y'all are doing for Emancipation Day. So this is what I'm having. See here? Just a little sandwich and my iced coffee with coconut milk. But yeah, ending the vlog right here. I'm going to finish eating, then wash my hair and edit and upload this video because I want to know what y'all are doing today. So catch you in the next one. Bye, kids.